सोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video we are going to solve exercise 4.3 problem number 11. Look at the question. This is the given question and this is the figure. So we have to find the x and y values from this figure. Okay, right. So if you observe this figure, this arrow mark indicates that these two lines are parallel. Okay, for my convenient I am taking here A, B, C, D. Okay, so AB is parallel to CD. Okay, if these two are parallel lines, this is a transversal. Okay, this CB is a transversal. So from that we can say this 52 degrees and this angle are alternate interior angles. When if these two lines are parallel, this is a transversal, this angle and this angle both are alternate interior angles. In parallel lines intersected by a transversal, alternate interior angles are equal, isn't it? So it means this becomes here 52 degrees. Okay, right. So if you observe this BCD triangle, BCD is a triangle. Here it is given 90 degrees and this is 52 degrees and this is 3y plus 5 degrees. Okay, so we have to find y value first here. So we have one property, sum of three interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. From that we can write these three angles is equals to 180 degrees, then we can find the y value there. Okay, similar concept we can apply here also. Okay, what is the angle here? 52 degrees. From they are alternate interior angles. Okay, right. Solution. So from the figure, AB is parallel to CD and CB is a transversal. Okay, CB is a transversal and angle BCD comma angle CBA, BCD and CBA are alternate interior angles, so that they are equal. That is, angle BCD is equals to angle CBA. So BCD value we have 52 degrees, that is equals to CBA. So CBA we got 52 degrees. Okay, right. So from ABC triangle, from triangle ABC, angle ACB plus angle ACB plus angle CBA plus angle BAC is equals to 180 degrees, because sum of three interior angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. These are the three angles. Okay, right. Angle ACB 65 degrees plus CBA, just now we got it is 52 degrees, plus BAC that is x given equals to 180 degrees. Is it clear? Right. So 52 plus 65, 7, 11, 117 degrees. So 117 degrees plus x is equals to 180 degrees. So x as it is, 117 transpose to RHS side, it becomes 180 degrees minus 117. So x is equals to 180 degrees minus 117, 10 minus 7, 3. 7 remaining here, 7 minus 1, 6, yeah, 63 degrees. X value we got 63 degrees. Is it clear? We got x is equal to 63 degrees. So we have to find now y value. Okay, is it clear? Right. I hope you understand. Next, from the same figure, in triangle BCD, in triangle BCD, angle BCD plus angle CDB plus angle DBC is equals to 180 degrees, and BCD is 52 degrees, and CDB, and given it is 90 degrees already, the symbol indicates it is right angle, and DBC 3y plus 5 degrees. BCD given 52 degrees plus CDB is 90 degrees plus DBC, that is 3y plus 5 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, so 90 plus 52, 142 degrees plus 3y plus 5 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. So it becomes 147 plus 3y is equals to 180. Okay. So 3y is equals to 180 degrees minus 147. So 180 minus 147, 3, 7 remaining here, 7 minus 4, 3, 33 degrees. So 3y is equals to 33 degrees, y is equals to 33 degrees by 3, 3 ones, 3 11s. So y is equals to 11 degrees we got. So that is our required x and y. So x we got 63 degrees, y we got 11 degrees. This is the required solution. I hope you understand. Is it clear? Yes. Take the problem.